রঙে রঙে রঙিল আকাশ. The sky is full of colors. Here are the names of 12 colors or Rong in Bengali. Starting with the basic colors, white is Shada. Shada. Black is Kalu. Kalu. Red is Lal. Lal. Blue is Neel. Neel. Yellow is Holud. Holud. Green is Shobuj. Shobuj. And brown is Khayeri. Khayeri. There are certain colors which take their names from things around us. For example, pink, Golapi, Golapi takes its name from Golap, which is the word for rose. Now we can say that roses are of so many different colors. I totally agree, but the major variant of roses are pink. Hence, the name Golapi is associated with that color of the rose. So, Golapi coming from Golap. In the same vein, purple, Beguni, Beguni coming from Begun, which is the word for brinjal slash eggplant slash aubergines. In English, orange stands for both the fruit and the color. In the exact same way, in Bengali, Komla stands for both the fruit and the color. There is an alternative pronunciation, Komola, but both Komla and Komola are acceptable pronunciation for the word orange. And yes, both the color and the fruit. Not only fruits and vegetables, we also take names from metals. So, gold in Bengali is Shona and golden is Sonali. Sonali. And just so that silver doesn't feel bad, the, the metal silver is called Rupa or Rupo in Bengali, and the silver color is called Rupali or Rupoli. Rupali or Rupoli.
লাল নীল সবুজেরই মেলা বসেছে লাল নীল সবুজেরই মেলা রে